Hi, welcome to 4Seller. If you're new here and not sure where to start or what to do next, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let me walk you through it. After registration, you'll be taken to the homepage. In the top right corner, you'll find 4 main functional sections. Click your avatar to manage your account, view profile, check account, or log out. In the settings module, you can complete basic configurations such as store authorization, carrier authorization, third-party warehouse authorization, and warehouse management. To get started, please prioritize authorizing your store and carriers. Click here to switch language. Need to support? Click Help to get help. The central area displays your key operational data, such as to-do items and store sales, allowing you to monitor performance and quickly address any issues. At the bottom, you'll find video tutorials that demonstrate how to use various features. On the right side, you can access several practical modules. Quick Actions, quickly jump to frequently used functions. Announcements, receive real-time updates on new features and news. Customer Service, find contact information for the 4Seller team. Help Center, explore comprehensive documentation for self-learning. In the top left corner, you'll find the core function modules. In the listing module, you can manually create products or view published products. You can also use the migration function or use the plugin to scrape and list products quickly. Currently, this module supports listing on the platforms mentioned above. The order module is your efficient order processing center. You can handle orders, track shipments, manage after-sales issues, set shipping rules for auto-fulfillment, or turn on Amazon auto-review requests, all to boost your efficiency. The inventory module lets you manage multiple warehouses in one place. You can handle self-owned warehouse stock, sync third-party warehouse inventory, and set up inventory linkage and reservation rules for better control and smart allocation. In the report module, you can check store sales, product sales, and more. The clear dashboard helps you track performance and spot trends quickly. In the marketing module, you can easily create promotions for your TikTok products. The tools module gives you handy tools like profit calculator, product comparison, and search products on Alibaba. Have questions or just want to see how things work? Click One-on-One Training to set up a remote demo. We'll show you around and answer anything you need. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe 4Seller channel. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with 4Seller customer service.